Okay, so to start this one off, this week I did two things. I put out a sort of statement stroke message on my community section on YouTube, and I followed that up with a video where I talked about the Scout HDs. In that, I said I was withdrawing my recommendation to consider buying these based on what Fat Shark's customer service was apparently telling customers. Now, I stand by everything I said in that video and statement, and my opinion hasn't on Fat Shark changed. However, I do have a little bit of news on this, and whilst this has been posted elsewhere, I have confirmed it's correct as well, and we're going to talk about it. Now, that news is that HDZero are going to be offering the support for the main board on this model. So these goggles are manufactured, as far as I'm concerned, by Fat Shark, but they do use HDZero technology. The board is labeled HDZero. However, as far as I'm concerned, and I still remain concerned, that these goggles are Fat Shark goggles, and it is their responsibility to offer support for them. However, I have had a statement sent over to me from Carl, so what I'm going to do is pop it up on the screen and just share this with you guys. And that statement is that DiviMath makes the PCBA for the Scout HD, and Fat Shark handles the rest, including LCD display, plastic cases, assembly, and final test. The Scout HD is an important product for the HDZero family, and we will happy to provide firmware updates, troubleshooting, and consulting for customers. I guess Fat Shark will continue to provide excellent customer service as usual for the Scout HD goggle. I know Randy from Fat Shark's support team is actively working on fixing the SMA for that customer who had the issue, and DiviMath will provide as much support as they can as well. So, what this situation says is HDZero are going to try and provide the support for their bit of these goggles. I still fully believe this is a Fat Shark problem from support, and they should be working with HDZero in the background to sort boards out if that's an issue. I don't like the fact that their customers are being pushed from one person to another. I got nothing to do with HDZero. That's simply to do with sort of Fat Shark pushing that across. Now, I had a lot of feedback off the back of that video. People saying, you know, you're talking nonsense, from, you know what, you're right, this isn't good enough. And I also had a bit of criticism laid at me that why haven't I reached out to Fat Shark or HDZero on this? Now, just to be clear, as far as I'm concerned, and still am today, even based on that statement, these are Fat Shark goggles, Fat Shark product. HDZero's not got a responsibility in repairing these. Further to that, because that information was posted by Fat Shark support, I saw no reason to question that. Because as far as I'm concerned, that is them telling the world their stance on this. And nothing has changed in that. There's been no response from Fat Shark. There's been no coming. They've not contacted me. They've not contacted anyone else as far as I'm aware. They literally have not even rebooted it and say, sorry, we didn't mean that or anything. It's been radio silence. The only thing we have had is HDZero and Carl step up. Now, there is actually a reason I didn't contact HDZero in truth. And that was because I knew Carl would probably end up doing what he's done because he's such a nice guy. But I didn't want to be the person to sort of trigger that because I don't feel it's his fault. I didn't want to say to Carl up front, Carl, I want to make a video on this, and you guys, can you tell me your stance on this? Because I'm almost backing them into a difficult situation. And I wanted to be clear that at no point was this, as far as I'm concerned, HDZero's problem. And I remain with that belief, and I fully stand by what I've said. Now, just to clear up where I stand on these today, because look, my opinion means nothing. At the end of the day, I am a tiny voice in a very loud pond full of amazing people such as Bot Grinder. I saw you hiding there. I saw you. And JB and others. At the end of the day, I'm just giving you my personal opinion about it, because at the end of the day, that's all I can do. I gave a recommendation in a review. I withdrew that recommendation in that review. So that is why I made the video. It wasn't to shame Fat Shark. It wasn't to do anything like that. But I personally feel if I go out and say, yeah, this is fantastic, you should buy this, and something changes, then I have a responsibility to go back and readdress that. And that's what I did. It wasn't for clicks. I made sure that the video didn't have a clickbait thumbnail title. I could have done what I did with the DJI one, which was put a big X over the front of it. And I made sure it was not clickbaity. I did what I felt was right. There are people who will and won't agree with that, but at the end of the day, I am just giving an opinion. Whether that opinion is valid or not, who knows? So, today, I am more comfortable to say people should consider buying these again because Carl's going to pick up the pieces. I don't think he should have to. And I really do think, based on all of the information I've had, all of the comments and that statement, that they've been stitched up, frankly. However, because they are going to be providing that support, I don't see a reason not to consider buying these. The reliability is actually fairly decent on them. You should be fine, and Carl is going to be continuing the support in the future. What I would say is, if I could get a HDZero logo to put across the front of that, I certainly would be, to cover that one up. Because I do think in this, the behavior of a company certainly does raise concerns for me, in the sense of, would I recommend them to anyone else for any other products right now, including the competitors to these? You know, and it's hard to do that. And look, this is really simple. Companies need to start talking to their customers and the likes of us or anyone else. When you go radio silence, all we're left with is what's in front of us. And if I look at what the companies who are doing really interesting stuff right now are doing best, that is HDZero, that is Orca, that is people like Express LRS, and those companies who are talking to the community and talking to YouTubers, creators, influencers, whatever you want to call us. When companies aren't talking, all we're left is with what we find in the public. And that is the real situation. So that's my thoughts on it. For those who agreed with me, thank you. For those who didn't, I'm sorry. But it was still the right thing to do. And at the end of the day, I can only give a recommendation based on my own experience.